How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. And man, it sure feels good now that the stock market's back. Yesterday was Monday. You guys know the market was closed, and we're back. We're back today, guys, and we have to break down the charts, the indexes, stocks I'm looking at that are moving right now. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and you fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. You guys see it right here. And fund your account with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. Use that link down below or go to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. The clock's ticking. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So man, like I said, it feels good that the stock market is back. I mean, not that I hate having an off day in terms of the stock market, but man, whenever we have a long weekend, I'm itching for the market to open back up. And here we are, guys, and it seems like we do have a little red in the Dow Jones. It looks like the NASDAQ 100's pretty much break even, so it's not like we're exploding today. We do have some flatness, if you will, on the NASDAQ, and again, the Dow's down a bit, but the S&P's up a little bit, 0.1%, and it actually hit an all-time high. You heard that right. We hit 612 on SPY this pre-market this morning, which is huge, and the Russell is moving up as well, over 0.5% to kick off this short week. So we're going in the right direction, in other words, right? SPY hit an all-time high, which honestly, guys, I'm not surprised. We called this out last week. I mean, we saw the writing on the wall. We had this wedge clear as day. You guys see it right here. And on Thursday, we started breaking out. You guys see that right here on SPY. We called it out. Friday, we consolidated a bit. And today, again, we popped up in the pre-market, hit the all-time high, and we're still very clearly in breakout territory, right? So I'm not surprised SPY's popping like it is. QQQ, guess what? Also hit an all-time high. I'm not surprised. We also called out the wedge on this, right? You guys see it clear as day. Higher lows, lower highs were being made for quite some time. And on Thursday, we had a big move, Friday as well, and today we continued the breakout, and officially hit 541, which is an all-time high, right? And the last time this hit an all-time high, guys, was in the middle of December. So 2 months, pretty much, we had 2 months of flat trading on QQQ, which honestly is not that bad. That's normal market activity, and now we're starting to see that next leg up, right? And I believe SPY also hit an all-time high in December. It might have been earlier, actually. Yeah, it was early December. That was the last time, right? Or no, maybe it was late January. Either way, we're breaking out. That's what's important, guys. We are finally starting to move up again here. Momentum's building up, and I think this is actually the first all-time high, at least on SPY, since Trump became president, right? I'm pretty sure that's the case here. Either way, that's what we're looking at on the indexes. Let me know what you guys are seeing in the comments down below. I'm very curious. And now let me go through some stocks that are moving. So Intel, INTC's the ticker, is up again, another 10%. You guys can see we're at $26 per share, and we were just at $18 not even 2 weeks ago, guys. So this thing is gaining momentum rapidly. It's up 45% in about 10 days, which is nuts. And this is on the back of, obviously, a lot of fears with Trump, tariffs. J.D. Vance said a couple of days ago that, chip making could come heavily back into the U.S., right? That's the case here. And it looks like here we have some other news coming out literally today. Intel shares gain after report on potential breakup. Wait a second. I didn't see this. Hold on, guys. What's going on? Intel shares climbed on reports it is considering splitting itself as rivals Broadcom and Taiwan Semiconductor are looking into potential deals to buy it. Oh my goodness. That's big news there, guys. We'll see how that materializes, but excuse me, guys. It looks like Broadcom and Taiwan Semiconductor are in the early stages of considering deals and could still decide not to seek an acquisition. People familiar with the matter told the Wall Street Journal on Saturday Broadcom has held informal discussions about making a bid, while Taiwan Semiconductor has separately studied controlling some of Intel's chip plants. The companies are not working together. So that's big news, guys. So it's not, I guess it's not, well, it was moving because of the comments JD Vance made, right? But this piece of news is pushing it up even more. Again, 10%. I might have to make a TikTok video on that, going deeper into it. I'll upload it here on YouTube, probably as a short as well. But this is pushing Intel, guys, to a multi-month high. Now we're at the same level we were at in November. We're there, literally. And if we do break 26, which is where we're at now, that's the high from November as well, this will be pretty much at an 8-month high, or a 6-month high, excuse me, which is big. So I'm going to set my alert at, I'll put it at $26.50 for now on Intel. $26.50. And man, that's big news. Do you guys think Broadcom's going to buy them? Do you guys think Taiwan Semiconductor is going to buy them or try and buy some of their plants? What do you guys think? This is very big news out of INTC. I'm glad I caught it here on the video, guys. So let's see what else is moving here. You guys know we have Chinese stocks reporting earnings this week. Some of these include Alibaba. Alibaba is in a couple of days, right? Or maybe tomorrow, actually. No, in 2 days on Thursday, we have Alibaba. This one's up another 1.5% right now. Tencent is another one, TCEHY. It's up 4.3% today. They're not reporting earnings this week. They're actually in about a month in March. But it's still worth watching as momentum is really building up. Now we just took out the highs from October, which is huge here on Tencent. Looks like Groupon's making a move, which I mentioned in my video yesterday, the 5 high short interest stocks to watch. You guys remember that video? If not, make sure to go check it out from yesterday. But Groupon's up 2.2%. Looks like it's breaking out of the wedge. Well, it has been. Now it's continuing that move. And it looks like we're about to test. We're there now. We're testing it now. The highs from early December, 13.50, which if that breaks, guys, this stock has very high short interest. Who knows where it could be going from there? So Groupon, GRPN, is starting off the week, this short week, pretty nicely, with a decent move here, over 2%. And I'm curious to see if this momentum builds up. WBD is another one, Warner Brothers Discovery. This one's up about 3% on the day. We have an inverse head and shoulders forming. You guys see it right here, pretty clear as day. We have the left shoulder. You guys see the head right here, boom, the right shoulder. I kind of butchered that, but bear with me, guys. That's playing out. And now we're testing the highs at about 1060, 1075. That was the high from the end of January, also end of December, early mid-December. So if WBD is able to break out of 1075, heading into earnings, even after earnings, which earnings are on the 27th of this month, so in about a week, if they're able to get out of here, guys, we could be going a lot higher, man. 1250, 1270, maybe higher than that, which 1270 was the high from mid December. So yeah, we're pushing in the right direction on WBD. Alert set at 11. I'll put another one at 1075. Might as well. Why not, guys? It doesn't hurt. So we'll do that now. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Those are a couple of stocks I'm watching. That's a breakdown here on the markets. And actually, wait, let me mention this. I bought more AMD today, guys. You all know in my Patreon portfolio, I'm putting in money every single week, $250 every week. And at the end of the month, I put additional deposits in to get it to $2,000 per month. That's what I'm putting into this Patreon portfolio. And we're building it. We're building it nicely. And you guys can actually see how we're building this portfolio in the description box down below. I bought more AMD. I bought some more shares today. And the portfolio, guys, not to toot my own horn, but holy smokes, we've been crushing it. I think we got a 67% return in 2024. I think the S&P did like 23%. And this year so far, year to date, we're up like 13%, 14%. The S&P's up like 3% this year or something, 4%. So we've been crushing it in that portfolio, man. And I think AMD on this dip is a buy. I'm buying it, and I think this will return a nice, juicy return over the coming years. It might take some time, but I think personally AMD is a $300 stock. No problem. No problem. And if this thing is under 150, 125 especially, I'm buying it, and I bought more today. So we'll leave it there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. We're on the road to 100K subs, and get your 30 stocks for Moomoo. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. So guys, use the link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.